manufacturing is hampered by not having the right soldering equipment. The MC301N nitrogen reflow oven features heavy-duty construction and an Android-based operating system, providing the best solution for prototyping and small-volume production runs. The MC301N Android-based control app provides an easy-to-use touch panel interface with virtual keyboard for setting the temperature and duration of the preheat, soak, reflow, cooling stages, and nitrogen flow rate. An airlock on the front of the oven prohibits the nitrogen from escaping to keep the inert atmosphere. Real-time temperature monitoring of the PCB at the board level is possible with its integrated thermocouple. Temperature recordings can be easily saved and distributed through Wi-Fi. A 2.5-inch exhaust port on the back of the oven can be connected to a flexible duct for exhausting the fumes and hot air from the soldering process. It also helps with the rapid cooling of the PCB. There are many benchtop reflow ovens available.